December 1st is going to be legendary for Bitcoin, and here's why. On December 1st, we're going to see the fate of Bitcoin. We have on our screen the Traders Dynamic Index, which already confirmed Bitcoin has entered phase 2. On December 1st, we're going to see if we can have the Rank Correlation Index confirm that we have entered phase 2. And we also have another chart that nobody's watching that has critical information that just closed. We're about to uncover all of the facts. This is your last chance. Time is almost out. Black Friday blowout, a crazy 79% off. Don't miss out. Make 5 times more in this bull run. Win more trades, make more money. Our website has been flooded. Don't be the guy that's left behind. Use crypto at checkout to save an extra $600 off. Go to cryptocrewuniversity.com. Again, that's cryptocrewuniversity.com. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button, put a thumbs up on it. We're jumping straight into the video. We're on the monthly chart, US Bitcoin dollar index, and here we are. This is the absolute cheat code for Bitcoin if you want to make substantial money. Right in front of us are the cheat codes for every single bottom of the market, every single start of the bull run, and every single top of the market. Look no further than these two right here, which should be illegal. If you want to know when the market cycle is going to top, you go to the Rank Correlation Index. You look at the red line. When the red line crosses this blue line, it's precisely the pinnacle market cycle top. Fast forward to the next cycle. Watch this red line cross the blue line. It happens right at the pinnacle market cycle top. You want to know when Bitcoin is at the bottom of the market and about to head into the bull run? You look at the Traders Dynamic Index, and we have the red line cross above the green line. That's when the bull run starts, right at this candle. It started in 2019, right at this candle, and it started in 2023, back in January when we sat right here in this chair. But things are heating up with these two indexes because we're waiting for this red line to get above this green line, which would confirm that Bitcoin is in phase 2 of the bull, and phase 2 of the bull gets a little bit crazy. Now, we've got to go to this chart because nobody is showing you this chart, and we're going to come back here and I'm going to give my thoughts on what is going to happen on December 1st. But in this chart, something monumental has happened, which nobody is discussing. This is the Fear and Greed Index, and we're on the maximum button right here. This is where it gets interesting because we built incredible market structure that we covered last year. If you look, this was the bottom of our market. In between the 20 level and the 30 level, we started building incredibly strong market structure. Look at this 20 level and look at this 30. The 20 acted as support, holding us up. The 30 acted as resistance, holding us down. And we built this incredible market structure that has propelled us into this phase 1 and potentially phase 2 of the bull. Since we've done that, we created a high here, and we created yet another high and yet another higher high here. After this, on April 15th, 2023, we crashed down in the Fear and Greed Index. Where did we crash to? The 30 level. Why? Because that is the critical structure that we have built. Remember, 20 was holding us as support. 30 was holding us as resistance. When you break resistance, it becomes support. This game is really easy, but unfortunately, especially with this chart, a lot of people are stuck in the 5-minute chart, the 1-hour chart, the 4-hour chart. That's when you're picking pennies off the ground. Do you want to be the trader or investor who's trying to figure out how to pick pennies off the ground with a ton of false signals in these lower time frames? Or do you want to be somebody in these higher time frames who's stealing bags of cash and it feels like it's illegal? That's where you want to be. Do not mess with the lower time frames. If you're new to our channel, we go with the higher time frames with a lot less false signals, and we cover just the facts in the charts. So hit that subscribe button. But again, what we've got in front of us here in the Fear and Greed Index is we had that April 2023 crash down, retest our market structure. This is a power play move that Bitcoin just did, because after we retested our market structure, we zoomed up to a new higher high. That is a power move. That's a power play that Bitcoin has just did, and nobody paid attention to it. What is it saying? We are in a clear and powerful uptrend in the crypto space, and there's no denying it. We have incredibly strong market structure in the 20 to 30 range, which is going to continue to keep these higher. Now, keep in mind, right now, We had this 74 as a high. Bitcoin is going to create another higher high in the future. And that higher high that we do in a handful of months from now is going to set Bitcoin at a price that's going to get people very, very excited. But when we create this higher high, it's going to be a time to think about profit taking. Again, what I'm saying to you is just the facts and the charts. This is not my emotional opinion, and we've got facts and the charts here to prove it. If you want to know when the market cycle top is going to be, you look at this red line and this blue line, and when they cross, it's time to take profits, right? You want to look at the bottom of the market, you look at the Traders Dynamic Index. And what we had right here on this channel, we covered it back in October. We had Bitcoin rise above this orange line. That's the phase 2. Do you want to make more money? Here are a couple recent trades using my program. Here in 4 trades, turn 10K into 25K. In a different chart, in 1 trade, turn 10K into 78K. In our 3rd chart, in 1 trade, turn 10K into 43K. The clock is ticking. This is your last chance. Don't miss out. CryptoCrewUniversity.com. Again, that's CryptoCrewUniversity.com. But if we take a couple steps back, we look at all the facts in the charts. We talked about for months that when the red line gets above the green line, it's the start of the bull run. And again, 2019, when this red line gets above the green line and the Traders Dynamic Index started the bull run happened right at this candle, and started the bull run here happened right at this candle. You want to know exactly when the start of the bull happens? Look no further than the Traders Dynamic Index on the monthly chart with the settings precisely like this. You want the rank correlation index with the settings precisely like this. Now, when you fast forward to January of this year, we sat right here in this chair, and I said to you that it's likely Bitcoin just entered phase 1 of the bull, or it's right about to enter phase 1 of the bull. We said that in January. 85% of the world was against me. They said there's no way we just entered phase 1 of the bull. 2023 is going to be a bloodbath. It's going to be the worst ever financial crisis since the 1929 recession. That's what everybody was screaming, except me. We do the facts and the charts. We don't have a crystal ball, but we respect the hell out of the charts. And I do not tell you what you want to hear. At that point, you wanted me to tell you it was going to be a bloodbath and there was incredible buying opportunities. But no, it was the start of the bull run. I sat right here and said that based on the Traders Dynamic Index. And we said clearly, we have 2 rules for Bitcoin to enter phase 2 of the bull. Both of them have to be true, or Bitcoin is not in phase 2 of the bull. Rule number 1. Traders Dynamic Index has to have the red line get above the orange. If you go back in history, 2016, red line above the orange, phase 2 of the bull, precisely right here. Happened right here, phase 2 of the bull, and that's when we went into phase 2 of the bull. What is phase 2 of the bull, you ask? If you're new, phase 2 of the bull builds market structure directly on top of our resistance of phase 1 of the bull. It's a beautiful stair step up. And guess what? Phase 1 of the bull built market structure directly on the bottom of our market where we are having heavy resistance. It built structure right on top. And phase 2 built structure right on top of phase 1. That's how this game works. It's so simple, but you can't see it if you're on the 1 hour and the 4 hour. You'll never see it, right? You'll never see it. So again, we have a yes in the Traders Dynamic Index. We have our red line crossed above the orange line. What we're waiting for on December 1st is a monumental close right in front of us with the rank correlation index. We are waiting for this red line to get above this green line. If it does, we have confirmed Bitcoin to be in phase 2 of the bull. As we stand now, it's likely that we've moved into phase 2 of the bull, but we are disciplined traders. We are disciplined investors with distinct rules, following precise facts so we can stay level-headed and not run around like a chicken with our head cut off, like all the herd who's looking at all these little time frames trying to pick pennies off the ground. We are disciplined, we are focused, and these are our rules. And we have on our side momentum. We just showed you with this chart right here. We have incredible market structure. We're continuing to make higher highs. We came down to retest our structure. This is a power play that Bitcoin is in the midst of, and we are waiting for December 1st to tell us everything we need to know. Hit that subscribe button. I'll see you right back here in the next video. Do you want to make more money? Let's hear what some of my students have to say. Waldo says, quote, "Actually, I could pay off my house with the profits." Sergio says, quote, "I made 3 times what the courses cost." Chase said, my last trade, I'm up 81% in less than 14 days. The clock is ticking. This is your last chance. Crazy discount. Don't miss out. CryptoCrewUniversity.com. Again, that's CryptoCrewUniversity.com. Black Friday blowout, largest ever discount on my program. If you sign up right now, you're going to unlock these huge things for free. You're going to get my Bull Run Masterclass, $2,500 value, free. A brand new indicator, $2,000 value, free. Backtesting strategies, $6,000 value, free. If you sign up right now, you will unlock all of these for free. CryptoCrewUniversity.com.